Ever since I got my private pilot license, I have been in search of a perfect pilot getaway or a fly-in resort. I think I might have found one. I wanted to share a fun flying destination in the East Coast. This is French Lick, Indiana. The airport identifier is Foxtrot Romeo Hotel, FRH. French Lick has two historic resort hotels that were built in the late 1800s and early 1900s but renovated multiple times after that. The hotels were well kept. Both were massive and one of them has an impressive dome structure. Back in the day, it was considered the eighth wonder of the world. Both hotels are beautiful, and when you walk inside, you feel like you stepped back in time. There are plenty of resort-style amenities at this hotel such as spa, golf and other events. There are also plenty of kids activities as well, but my kids chose to do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
There is also a scenic train ride, especially popular during the Christmas time. The best thing about flying into French Lick, in my opinion, is the resort folks will provide rides back and forth from the airport. This will save you a bunch of time and hassle, and there is no need to rent a car. Keep in mind that airport is unmanned on Sundays, so plan accordingly. I don't remember seeing tie-down ropes as well. I would recommend bringing your own tie-down ropes. Crew cars and rental cars are also available. I would recommend you contact the airport folks first before your trip. We landed on a Friday. The airport was not all that busy. There was one employee working at the airport. His name was Kurt. He was very helpful in finding us a hangar for the airplane as the storms were approaching the next day. The town of French Lick is small but scenic. The food at the resorts was great, but I thought the food in town was a bit lacking variety. Still pretty good for a small rural town. Overall, we had a great experience and highly recommend it. If you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button to support my channel. Also, I keep getting questions about the camera gears and mount that I use for filming my flights. I put a bunch of links in the description for you to check out. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.